collecting on debts. For this video, we're going to talk about collecting on debts, but specifically seizure. So seizure is a step, a legal process, where if someone owes you money, you seize goods that are owned by them, and then you can sell them to satisfy the judgment. Now, in order to go through this process, you have to go through the court system and win. And once you've won, you've now got a judgment for that debt. It is legally owed to you by the person. It's recognized by the courts. It's no longer up for dispute unless obviously someone goes to the Court of Appeal. However, that doesn't usually happen. In the event that the person owes you the money and the courts have granted you that judgment, you can now move forward to seize their property. The first step that you're going to do is to register that writ of enforcement. That writ of enforcement is a document that allows you to start the process of enforcement, which includes the option of seizure. Other things would include garnishing accounts, bank accounts, or garnishing wages, but for this video we're just looking at the seizure process. Next, you're going to want to involve a bailiff. A bailiff or a sheriff is a person whose job is to seize those goods. You yourself cannot just go onto their property, grab something that they own, and then go and sell it. It has to go through a legal process to make sure that things are done the right way, that the goods are sold in accordance with the law, that they're being taken in accordance with the law, that it's not a good or something that's being seized that is exempt from seizure. So all these factors are played in, and the sheriff or bailiff would then go through that process to take it and then sell it through the auction or their sales process. Once it's sold, they will pay you back what you are owed, and if there's still outstanding debts, then certainly you can go after other goods to seize, or you can go through the process of garnishing their accounts or whatnot. But in terms of seizure, it is a great step in order to pay yourself back when someone owes you money and has failed to pay you directly. One other note, though, is that often when you start the seizure process, suddenly the debtor is able to come up with the money and pay you back. So going through that process may be time-consuming and frustrating, but at the end of the day, if you get your money back in your pocket, you're probably going to be happy.